Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss cold caused by wind cold. Cold is mostly related to the inflammation of the respiratory tract caused by virus or bacterial infection. There are several kinds of cold due to different causes, such as wind cold, wind heat, and summer heat and damp. Methods of treatment vary from different kinds of cold. Therefore, scraping therapy should be applied based on the identification of different symptoms. Cold caused by wind cold. It often occurs in cold seasons, manifested by the fear of the cold, moderate fever, headache, feeling of heaviness in the body, nose sweat, stuffy nose, or running nose. Scraping just once can reduce the symptom of a person with mild symptoms. Scraping can be conducted once every day or once every other day for a person with a little sha or without any sha after the treatment. Scraping should be conducted after sha disappears for a person with lots of sha after the treatment. The recommended procedures. First is the Feng Qi point or the Fei Shui point. The method is applying scraping oil. Use the single angle scraping to scrape Feng Qi point or the GB20 from up to down, and then use the surface scraping to scrape Fei Shui point from up to down and scrape the scapular area downward and upward until the sha appears. Second, the Zongshu point or the long one, we apply the scraping oil, use the single angle scraping to scrape Zongfu point from up to down until sha appears. Third, the Shaoshang point or the long 11, we apply the scraping oil and then scrape the Shaoshang point toward the end of the thumb until sha appears. You can see here in the figure at the back, the Feng Shi point or the GB20 in the depression on both sides of the large tendon behind the nape of the neck next to the lower edge of the skull. Next is the Daishu point or the GV14 under the spinous process of the 7 cervical vertebra. Next, the Fei Shui point or the bladder 13. It's 1.5 soon beside the third thoracic vertebra on the inner side of the scapula. Next is the hand, the Hegyi point, Li4, and the highest point on the back of the hand between the thumb base and the base of the index finger in the webbing between these two fingers. Next is the front side, the Zongfu point or the long one on the chest, 6 soon lateral to the anterior midline at the same level as the first intercostal space, lateral to the infraclavicular fossa. Next is Chize point of long 5 with the elbow bent slightly in a cavity of the outer side of the biceps brachii on the cubital crease. Next is the Li11 or the Chushi point with the elbow bent halfway on the outer side of the cubital transverse crease. And last is the Shaoshang point or the long 11 on the thumb radial to the distal phalanx, point 1 soon proximal to the corner of the nail. Thank you for your attention.